What does your haircut say about you? My haircut says I have a lot of hair. But anyway, when it comes to your haircut and what it says about you, it's really about people judging you too much, and they should stop judging you because your hair is a reflection of you as a person, of your style, of how you think about style. So a haircut should really be something that looks good on you, fits your face shape, and also fits your overall persona, and that is really going to pull everything together. Now, when it comes to the way you wear your hair, it could say a few things about your personality type. For example, if you're walking around with a mohawk, like a punk rocker, or some sort of like really cool anime or some really extreme hair color, typically that's gonna say you're a more creative, maybe outgoing type of person. Or you could just express your emotions through your hair and be very introverted as well. So it really comes down to like the hair can say something about you, whether it's being creative. It could, mean that you may not be the most vibrant personality, or you can be very outgoing. Typically, when I meet someone who's got really bold hair color, they're like very talkative, very sociable. If somebody may have, maybe a simple like buzz cut, right, or something that's like not the most modern or trendy shaped up hairstyle, then it may say they're a bit more shy. So if you're somebody who's looking to get out of that realm of, oh, my hair is so boring, I feel like, kind of plain, you may not dress super cool. All it takes is, a week or two of figuring out a good hairstyle and going shopping, trying some new clothes on. A hairstyle could say, and in today's society, a lot of people judge, like the Karen haircut or the Edgar or all sorts of stupid things. And you may get judged, unfortunately, because of how stupid people are nowadays and how rude they are. Think about this, though. It's your hair. And if you care about looks and you care about your style and you care about fashion, then keep up with your hair. If, maybe you want to make a change in your life and you're like, I have awesome hair or I have a ton of hair, you can then start to experiment with it. You know what I mean? You have the opportunity to do a lot of cool things with your hair. Maybe if you want to be a bit more professional looking, try a side parting. Maybe if you want to be a bit more extreme, then maybe have a lot more fullness to your hair. If you want something that's trending and you're a teenager in high school or something, or in middle school, then have the popular TikTok hairstyle, like the fluffy hair type. If you want to be more of a powerful type of look, have a slick back, maybe an undercut, something off your face. That's very powerful. Or you want to have, a undercut with a beard. There's a lot of ways to have a hairstyle, and yes, it will say a lot about you because that's what people are going to see. They're going to see you from head to toe, but when they're talking to you, they're seeing your head, right? They're seeing your hair. All this is exposed. So I would say if you're looking for a hairstyle that is going to match your personality, make sure it helps make you feel more confident, all right? Don't do a hairstyle that you absolutely hate, or people are like, oh, he or she has awful hair. You want to really find something that's going to match you. And how many times have you seen people living with bad hairstyles and bad haircuts, and they're like, oof, like, is that a raccoon on that person's head, or that's just... And even me as a professional, I look at haircuts sometimes and I'm like, yeesh. And that's just like the person. It matches with their personality type, and to me, it says they don't really care much about themselves, or that's who they are, but they probably feel so happy about it, right? So really, what your haircut says about you is, it could say a lot, it could say a little, but you have the opportunity to transform your hair to make sure that you're getting something that is really going to be good for you, and it's going to help make you feel more confident, right? And that could lead to a number of things professionally and personally. Now, I have a range of hair products that you can purchase on my website, shop.TheSalonGuy.com, that can help you achieve certain styles and looks that can help, build your confidence and build your overall style. And you can also use code YouTube20. So shop.TheSalonGuy.com, YouTube20, YouTube20. Let me know what you think about this video and your personal style. And thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.